Welcome back, YouTube. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. So today's video we are going to do quiz 14, the answer. Okay, so the question was a stable process window primarily depends on A, balanced filling and consistent viscosity, B, maximum injection pressure, C, high clamp tonnage, or D, shortest cycle time. The correct answer is A is the answer, okay? The reason behind that is stable molding comes from consistent viscosity, balanced filling, and controlled packing, not extreme machine settings, okay? So you don't want to be like all over out in left field. So your process window is consistent of temperature, pressure, speed, and timing. Small variations in these can affect your process window very much. So if you have a process and you're trying to get the process to be dialed in correctly, these 4 settings is what you really are looking at, okay? Summary on this is, in essence, a stable process window is achieved when process parameters are well controlled, mold or tooling are robust, design materials behave constantly, and statistical monitoring confirms predictable performance. So that's a lot to take in, so try to say that a bunch of times if you can. That's very statistical monitoring confirms predictable performance. That's a mouthful. But what they're trying to tell you is these settings more or less control your process window. So if you make one change, that one change affects something else. So think about it. If you change your temperature, what does that change? That changes your viscosity. It changes the way the material flows. Changes the pressure of it, how it goes into the tool, the speed that it goes into the tool, timing, all that. So think about this the next time when you're processing. Think about the temperature, the pressure, the speed, and the timing of that, okay? Look into that, because you do a lot of different studies whenever you set your process window up. So you're doing a gate freeze study, you're doing a dynamic check ring study, you're doing all these different studies, and you're doing like a capability study. I mean, you're doing all these things to get to your process window. So think about that the next time you process. And if you had the answer A, great job. You're a molder. You know exactly what you're doing in the molding industry. Keep it up. If you would, please comment down here in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about this. If I hit it on the notes, there'll be more stuff in the summary on this in the comment section on the description that I wasn't able to fit on this board. So please like, share, and subscribe, and give me your comments. I really do appreciate it. Till next time, peace.